Okay, we're with Jay Herratti, who's the CEO of Citysearch.
That's right.
We're in the IAC building in Manhattan here. So you've got an interesting new strategy that you're about to unveil. What's it called?
We're unveiling a network called Citygrid. It's a content and advertising network for local.
And how does it work?
Citygrid, we basically aggregate advertisers from multiple partners. We then take their listings and we overlay them with enhanced content from Citysearch. Then we take those listings with the enhanced content and we distribute them to a very large audience of consumers through over 100 web and mobile publishers.
And can you name some of these publishers?
Sure. Publishers on our network are AOL, MapQuest, Superpages, Bing, Judy's Book, Urban Spoon, Insider Pages, and many more.
And so explain how one of these ads would work. These ads are in the form of content like a local listing. And give me an example, for instance, on Bing, how it would look like.
So it's both content and advertising combined. For our publisher partners, we provide APIs and feeds for 15 million businesses. We provide content in various forms: editorial reviews, user reviews, photos, videos, deals, offers, merchant message, etc. And then our publishers are able to infuse this content into their web pages in a way that suits them best. In many cases, these listings also come with monetization, so to speak. It's an open budget that publishers can take a share of if they're showcasing these merchants to their consumers.
And the monetization takes the form of different actions. Can you give us some examples of actions that trigger an ad payoff?
Sure. One is showcasing the message from the merchant, clicking on the video player to see an ad, making a reservation, making a phone call to a metered phone number, which we provide, and showing a menu and many things like that.
And there's been a lot of interest from mobile apps as well. I would think that would be a big growth area for this.
Yeah, we've seen an explosion in mobile partners in the last 6 months. This offering is very attractive to small businesses, small players that are coming into the local space but don't want to do the heavy lifting. All these ugly things that Citysearch has been doing for years and years, building up the databases, building up functionalities of search, updating and enhancing the content, finding advertisers against these listings. Most small players and mobile players don't want to do that, so it became a very attractive, easy way for them to get in the business by just tapping into our API.
And so developers of mobile apps and websites will be able to plug in these content ads into their services?
Absolutely, with great ease. Great examples of folks that are doing it are Urban Spoon on their app, Buzzed, Looped. These are apps that are live today and are using the Citygrid proposition. We have many more examples, and in fact, we're opening up a publisher center, a developer center for publishers in beta form, and that will be a great place for mobile developers to come to and get the goods.
Okay, and then final question. It seems like everyone's moving into this space, particularly Google. How does your approach differ from what Google is doing?
Well, we are actually going out and working with partners outside of Google. So Citygrid, in essence, aggregates consumer traffic from everywhere that is not inside of Google. So we are in essence becoming, you can go and buy traffic on Google by buying Google SEM, or you can go and participate in Citygrid, which happens outside of the Google universe. So working directly with publishers and working with advertisers who want to get to consumers wherever they are, not just on Google.